Hi guys, in this video I will quickly explain you how the archive module works. This is useful if you need to analyze or extract files from a zip, okay, from a compressed file. So that maybe it's online. This is why we have the HTTP module here. Okay, so I can use the HTTP module, get a file here, and here what it's expecting is a URL, the URL where he can access the zip file. So this long URL here that you see, I generated with airtable. Okay, if you want to do the same, otherwise you can use your own URL. So just for you to understand, I created just an attachment field in Airtable that I called images, and I uploaded my zip file. My zip file that is this one. Okay, if I open it, I have four photos inside. So my photo, David's photo, Emily's, and the team photo. Okay, I can delete this. So if I go back, how to get this URL? This is a workaround in Airtable. If you do download the URL, and then you go to downloads, here you see that you have the images.zip file downloaded. So I can copy the link address, go back to Airtable, and here copy the link. So this is going to be different because it was images parentheses 1. Okay, so now if everything works, I should see, okay, the module ran correctly, got this URL as input, the status code is 200, and this is the data that gives me as output. Of course, we don't understand it because it's binary, make does, but in order to, this data represents the 4 images basically that are inside my zip file, okay, that are encrypted. So how to extract the images? This is when the archive module comes into the game. So here I can just tell him, okay, get the file from the HTTP. Okay, I can filter the images. So imagine, just for you to see the whole process, I want to send myself my image. Okay, so I filter the file name. Okay, with that needs to be called Daniel.png. Okay, which is the name of the image. So if I run the scenario, here I have the same output as before, as you can see. And here, as you can see, this one is the input that the archive model receives. And here I have an output that is much more readable. I have more than 4 bundles because, of course, there are some metadata, okay, that it's taken. So here is the photo. Then, for instance, I have a DS store somewhere for sure. Okay, so all this is something that we don't want. Okay, it's not a photo. It's just data that belongs to the compressed file. Okay, but among these bundles we have also the images like Emily.png, Daniel.png, Davide.png, and team.png. Okay, these are the 4 PNG images. Okay, so here, since I filtered only on Daniel.png, this is the only one that passed. Okay, which is Daniel.png, and here is the email that is sent me as an attachment. So just for you to see, so the subject sent it to myself. The subject is my photo. Here you have your photo in terms of content, and then I attached the file to the image. Okay, so if I check here, as you can see, I received a new email, my photo. Here you have your photo, Daniel, and here I am. Okay, it works. Thank you guys, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.